And so my wife has an awful lot of talents, and one of those happens to be baking. And so I turned to her and said, "Hey, I'm just a former college athlete with a lot of experience in eating things, but your pies and your cakes and your things that you've made for family events and other, they're very, I mean, they're really good. They're not just it's not just like, well, thanks for bringing the cake. I mean, everybody goes bananas over her desserts. And so I said, well, how about this? How about you start just trying to sell some cakes, sell some pies, sell some pastries. Just we're gonna get you a job. But in the meantime, while we're trying to figure out where we need to move and where I'm going to get a job and where all this is going to look like, just start, we're living in San Antonio at the time, just start selling some pastries. And that'll kind of help up. And then you can jump into grad school. She started selling pastries and selling more and selling more and selling more. And we looked down and we were making good money.
And I was enjoying it. I was
Yeah.
like, wow, this is actually, I'm happy to work every day. Because I did work in some hospitals and some chiropractic clinics, and it was good, it was great, but I mean, I still wasn't doing what I wanted to do, so supplementing some income so I could go to grad school, doing something I liked was a ton of fun, and now I've been doing it ever since. So I opened my own business, which I'm an introvert compared to Mr. Extrovert here, and so that was way out of my comfort zone, and I never pictured myself being an entrepreneur, so this has been quite the journey for me. So yeah, I've doubled my business since I've started, and recently that's all been in Houston since moving, which is really hard to do because I had to start over again, which is nobody's favorite thing. But yeah, so now I'm doing that full time instead of trying to go to grad school, and I'm enjoying it.
Great. Are you think you're going to just continue down this path, or you might go to grad school in the future? What are your thoughts right now?
Well, I mean, I currently just want to keep doing what I'm doing because I really love it, and eventually I want it to grow enough that I can have like a storefront or something, or just do catering. I'm not sure, but I really want to keep that going, and then later on in life, after kids, if I want, maybe I'll go to grad school. But currently, really enjoying what I love. So.
And not only the baking, you're learning social media marketing and all kinds of other things that are skills that people could pay you for in the future.
Yep, and I never thought that would be me either. But yeah, I have my own website now. I'm on social media, and that's thriving. And I'm helping other people learn how to cook or bake other things I don't sell, and so it's been a real blast. And I also make aprons and other mitts and pot holders on the side too. Recently masks. You got to adapt your market.
Right. Yeah, so you have your own product line, and that's fantastic.
Yeah, and I never thought I could enjoy sewing because I didn't know how to sew until until we were like engaged. So I learned in the last 3 years how to sew, and now I'm selling on Etsy and doing pretty well. So it's been quite the growth. I never thought getting an exercise science major would put me in baking. Here I am.